we will be, so from the last video, we made this heart hoverable. As you can see, if I hover over this part, it says what the part's name is. But this is not interesting because you only get the name from it, right? So, what we're going to do today is make it clickable by using JavaScript. Well, the first thing we want to do is, from our, remember, if you watched my interactive map video thing, yep, that checks out. We made this, info box. Just gonna do both, just for goodness sake. And basically what this does is we're gonna say, okay, yeah, you can look here for any more info you might want. Yeah, see? Okay, it's down here. So we're gonna style it in the next video, don't worry. But after you have this div, we're just gonna move to JavaScript. And oh yeah, by the way, before we do that, I almost forgot. We need to do one more thing. So the $sign in JavaScript basically means a jQuery library. jQuery library. I think that's what it's called, right? It has to be that. There we go. Okay. Yeah, and without this, so the $sign basically means jQuery library, and if you don't have the jQuery library in there, you can just, it won't cause an error and your code won't work. Like, if you don't know if the thing doesn't work, then you can go over to the inspect mode on your thing. Like, if you go here, right click, inspect. If there's any errors, it should show up right here or in the console. And if it says, oh, hang on, this $sign isn't defined, that basically means you don't have a jQuery library. It's a really basic mistake, but like, yeah. Just a little precaution. Document. Yep. There we go. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I keep on saying these things last minute. What the heck? Whatever ID your SVG is, like right here, if you go here, oh yeah, the ID is SVG666. That's how we link it to here. So the computer's like, oh, I know which SVG to use now. Oh yeah, so you should have like 2 pairs of these things. Curly bracket and bracket. That's what they're called, right? Okay, so we have like this kind of staircase thing. Oh yeah, and we need semicolons on both of these. And we need, it's best if we space that out, so it's kind of like, yes. I don't know. Aha, I got it. It's more organized, okay. And so now what we want to do is we want to go over here and it's like, search through all of this stuff and see, where's our first part? Oh yeah, I think I skipped it. Let's see. Inferior vena cava, okay. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna paste it in here, so the computer thing knows that, not caps lock, there we go. Hey, this needs to be this specific part that has this ID, okay? And that's pretty much like the reason why you need to have like an image that has like separate parts that are labeled. Like, for example, if you're doing like a whole skeleton, that's fine as long as each bone is like drawn and labeled individually and not like layer by layer, instead like actual part by part. Honestly, I'm wondering if that makes sense. Now you really can just put whatever you want in here. I'm gonna put like a fact about the inferior vena cava, the lower vena cava, I think. So yeah, fact. I kind of just searched this up. You don't, like, again, we have Google. You don't need to, like, take the time to... I mean, if you really, like, if you know the fact already and you can word it by yourself, that's great. But, like, if you don't, just search it up and not make your brain explode. Okay, and then we have a semicolon here. And then we want to break it so that it's not going infinitely forever. Now, if we save this, let's go ahead and see what's up here. So, look, see? It's like this. Pay attention to this thing when I click here. Never mind. 1 second. Yeah, that's the inferior vena cava. What did I do wrong? Hang on. Okay. No bugs or anything. Sorry. I found it though. I just remembered. You need to do a default thing. Does that even make sense? Default. Yeah, and so, this is like to basically end the thing so it actually shows up. Okay, now it should work. Okay, let me open up a new tab. Okay, I opened up a new tab. Let's see. Nope, okay. Maybe we need to add more. Like, if we add more, maybe the computer will actually think and say, hey, maybe this is actually right. So let's do the entire thing, and see if that fixes it. Okay, so now pulmonary vein 2. All right. Oh yeah, and like sometimes it will do that. Pulmonary vein 2, right? Yeah, pulmonary vein 2. Okay. I got my thing. Fact. Okay. And you're just gonna pretty much do this. Here, I'll do 3. And it's pretty much just copy pasting again. Okay. Let's see if 3. But like if you want to do the entire thing, it's literally just copy pasting. No! Okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay, does that do anything? Okay. Huh. 1 second, I need to make sure if I'm doing anything wrong. So, oops. Misclick. Alright. Let's see. Maybe that will fix it. Okay. Yeah, did you see it? Okay. So you see, it says look here for more info when I click here. The inferior vena cava, large vein that carries deoxygenated blood from the lower body back to the right heart, right. Okay, I need to slow down if I want to read that. Then we have this one. What else did I do? I forgot what I did. But yeah, isn't that cool? I did one more. I just can't remember. Oh, pulmonary veins. Yeah, some of these are like really long. We're gonna like fix that though. So yeah, this is how you make the heart clickable. And we will style this and make this look more fancy in the next video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.